Hello viewers. Welcome to Best Product Review. In this video we are going to be checking out the best 5 Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboard. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification, as it will help us grow. So let's get started with video. Number 5. 1ST-Player DK 5.0 Lite Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboard. There appears to be a trend with these Tenkeyless mechanical gaming keyboards, and 1ST-Player is following along too. That is presenting a reasonably plain-looking keyboard in all black, then using RGBs to add some flair. We rather like this trend, as it makes the keyboard more versatile and able to fit in almost anywhere. Bring it to the office, then take it home for a marathon gaming session. With an affordable price tag, let's see if 1ST-Player can keep up with the competition. The mechanical switches used in the DK 5.0 Lite are Cherry MX replicas. For a tactile clicky switch, choose the Atima Blue. If you prefer a linear switch with almost no sound, then go for the Atima Red instead. Placed on top of the switches are double-shot injection molded ABS plastic keycaps for added strength and durability. Connecting the keyboard to your PC is done using a detachable USB cable with gold-plated connectors. You can customize functions using the software package. This allows you to create custom profiles. Change the RGB lighting colors, effects, and brightness. You can also create custom macro settings for your favorite gaming titles. With the use of the function key, 1ST-Player has included some handy shortcuts, along with some media controls. Each of the inputs will be transmitted correctly from the keyboard to the PC with NKRO anti-ghosting. Number 4. Logitech G915 Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboard. Next in our best Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboards reviews, when it comes to the best computer peripherals, it is impossible not to include at least one product from Logitech. Their balance of quality and affordability is unmatched, along with their experience in producing great products. Our only wireless keyboard here, the G915 Tenkeyless, offers 3 different connection options. Wirelessly connect using either Bluetooth or the 2.4 GHz USB dongle. You can also make a wired connection, if you prefer, using the micro USB cable. Therefore, if you want one of the best Bluetooth Tenkeyless keyboards, give this one a closer look. A brushed aluminum alloy top plate sits on top of a steel-reinforced plastic base, giving a strong and sturdy foundation. Despite being a compact keyboard, Logitech added a row of dedicated shortcut and media control buttons along with a roller across the top row. There are 3 choices of low-profile GL mechanical switches, with the tactile offering either a black or white keyboard color choice. For the linear or clicky switches, the keyboard is only available in black. It is almost a requirement now for a gaming keyboard to have RGB lighting, and Logitech meets that requirement. By installing the G-Sync software, you can take complete control over the various lighting effects through the Lite Sync menu. Over in the Assignments menu, this is where you can remap all of the FN keys along the top row. This includes setting complex macros that might be required to give you a gaming edge. It's a shame, not all the keys are programmable, and this is a definite missed opportunity. Number 3. Razer BlackWidow T Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboard. Next up, we have another keyboard from Razer. If you liked the previous product, but want something a little more affordable with a choice of switches, then the BlackWidow Tournament Edition might be for you. Sticking with the nearly all-black design, the BlackWidow also relies on the use of RGB lighting for a boost of character. Comfort is a priority. As you'll notice at the bottom, there is an ergonomic magnetic detachable wrist rest attached to the sloping ergonomic frame. Therefore, this is one of the most comfortable Tenkeyless mechanical keyboards available. Once again, Razer has gone with their switches, based on the Cherry MX range. For tactile and clicky, choose the green. Tactile and silent performance requires orange, and for linear silence, go for the yellow. Connect the keyboard to your PC using the detachable braided micro USB cable. Once plugged in, placing your fingers upon the keycaps, you'll feel a slight concave to help them nestle in. It's a shame the legend is printed instead of etched though. Thanks to the Chroma app, this keyboard has some of the most customizable RGB light settings possible. Not only is each key individually lit beyond the presets, but there are also game-specific settings from the developers themselves. In addition to the fancy lighting settings, Razer HyperShift offers fully programmable macro support. It is possible to save your profiles and have them automatically launch with certain programs using a .exe file. Number 2. Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboard. One of the most subdued keyboards in the Razer lineup is this Tenkeyless Huntsman model. The Tournament Edition sits right in the middle between the full-sized Elite and the even more compact Mini. Although the styling is pretty tame by Razer standards, the keyboard is still packed with features. Built on a plain black plastic chassis with plain black keycaps with a white legend, the RGB is what brings things to life. Unlike most of the other keyboards here, you don't have a choice in switches. That's okay though, because Razer has gone with their own red linear optical switches. And they really are something else, sending signals at an unfathomable rate. As a result, this is one of the best gaming Tenkeyless keyboards. For a tough and textured finish, double-shot Pvt Keycaps adorn the top of Razer's incredible switches. These are some of the most premium-feeling and high-quality keycaps that are currently available. Running on the Razer Synapse software, users can completely customize their keyboard. You can adjust the RGB lighting to several presets, or even create your own with different effects and levels of brightness. Every key on the Huntsman TE can also be reprogrammed to perform alternate commands. This includes setting macros, which is made simple using the easy-to-navigate software. Once your preferences are in, detach the USB-C cable and bring your keyboard anywhere. Number 1. HyperX HX KB4RD1 Tenkeyless Mechanical Keyboard. HyperX is still relatively new to the computer accessories game. We can see a bright future ahead for them with products like this. HyperX calls this keyboard the Alloy FPS Pro, and it manages to cut down the size without cutting too much functionality. By concentrating on the areas that count, HyperX has produced a super competitive product at an affordable price. There is a range of different switches to choose from, and the keyboard is simple to set up and use. This keyboard looks very plain with its black finish and white printed legend on each of the keys. Once it's plugged in with the micro USB cord, the red LED backlighting will break up the understated design. There are two choices when it comes to switches. HyperX features industry-leading Cherry MXs. If you prefer hearing the clickety-clack when making inputs, go for the tactile blue. For a more silent tactile switch, you'll want the red. Because there are no drivers or software to download, this is one of the best plug-and-play Tenkeyless keyboards on the market. Simply connect to an available USB port on your PC, and you can start typing almost instantly. There are some cool features like the media controls accessed by using the function key. Game mode disables the Windows key to save unnecessary trips to the desktop. Some cool effects with the backlighting can also be toggled through like static, breathing, or wave. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.
Fuck her in the Benz.